That's it.
Okay, right now we're just going to be scrambling some egg. And the reason for this is going to be leading up to having stir fry. And we're going to be using some of my home canned goodies to make the stir fry. And I'll show you those in just a minute. We've already got our rice cooked and cooled down. So now we're scrambling the egg. Okay, this is going to be pork fried rice. And carefully measuring the soy sauce in.
Just until it's, brown.
Yeah. There's a little bit of oil in the pan to help prevent sticking.
You started with cold rice as well.
True, yeah. Started with cold rice. So that it doesn't gum up as bad. And what else are you going to put in there?
Some hot sauce, some homemade hot sauce.
Okay.
Just
a little bit of homemade hot
to
sauce.
zest it up a little bit.
Is yum yum sauce for this or for on the plate?
It can be either one. Probably on the plate.
Okay. Okay. Mushrooms that we canned just the other day.
Snap peas.
Sugar snap peas I canned last summer. Pepper and onion and carrot mix. I think there's some celery in there too.
Ginger.
And ginger flavor, yeah. And some pork that I canned. Can you get it out? Well, anyway, home canned pork.
It's not in a wide enough jar, so.
Yeah, I was out of them at the time. This pork was hot packed. That's why it's coming out so nice in big chunks. When you hot pack meat, it comes out a lot better. Because we're going to shred it up anyway. But if we'd wanted to just roast that, it would have worked out just fine.
Or fry it if we wanted.
Fry it, yeah. Okay, we're going to stir this around for a minute and we'll be right back. Okay, we're going to put, this is just a little cup of pineapple in juice. I'm going to add that to it for some sweetness. We went out and dug up some Jerusalem artichokes. I got them cleaned up and sliced up. Go in there, that's for crispness. And then the scrambled eggs. Get it all mixed together. So if you've got home canned stuff, you can have a meal like this in 15 minutes or so. Because by the time you can cook the rice, let it cool earlier in the day, and then when it's supper time, start putting stuff together. And basically, the Jerusalem artichokes and the pineapple just needs to be warmed through. Because we want the artichokes to stay crispy. Now, if you don't know what those are, it's not an artichoke at all.
Sunchokes.
They're called sunchokes, and it's a perennial root crop that we grow. You can fry them up like potatoes. You eat them raw.
Pickle them.
Pickle them. Make a relish out of them. Put them in something like this.
Instead of
water chestnuts, yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
Pretty much done.
And it's done. I'm going to get it plated up and have supper. Okay, and here it is on my plate, ready to eat, and I'm hungry. Thanks for watching.